Alright, this is Dominic motherfucking Olson. I'm out back in the woods today. How the fuck you flip the camera? Oh fuck. I don't know how I flipped the fucking camera. Well, see that spray can out there of whatever the fuck it is selling? See it in the camera? Yep. Where I'm sitting to that can, 21 distance, I'm gonna shoot it with the old trusty, old ass fucking BB gun. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna make one hell of a explosion. So, like and subscribe, because I do dumb shit all the time. Can't do nothing about a Snapchat. Alright. Lay the gun right here. Lay the gun right there. And get Markins ass over here to where you can see this explosion up close and personal. Oh yeah, that's good. Alright, stay tuned, because this is going to be some funny fucking shit coming on this fucking channel. Like and subscribe, comment down in the comment section. See what else you want me to blow up with a fucking, or see what else you want me to shoot with a BB gun. Tune on that Copenhagen Wintergreen today. Good old Copenhagen Wintergreen. The new cans are out, guys. Go get yourself some. Fucking amazing. Copenhagen Wintergreen. Copenhagen.com. Any gas station wherever you're from, I'm going to shoot this motherfucker. Like I said, 21 feet. Gonna go up like a geyser. They line it up perfect. Check it out. I gotta shoot it again. I'm gonna shoot it again off camera. But that was a good one. That motherfucker's still fucking hissing and shitting. Alright, catch you later.